There are three areas of the engine that your technician must clean: air, fuel, and oil. If just one of these areas begins to be burdened by carbon deposits, the other two areas will soon follow. Today's engines are designed and manufactured with low-tension piston rings, so pistons move with less friction. This design also increases fuel efficiency, but low-tension rings can quickly accumulate deposits, which make them stick, and allows oil to move past them and burn inside of the combustion chambers, which causes carbon to accumulate onto piston tops, valves, and injector tips. These deposits cause piston rings to stick and leak compression and unburned fuel into the crankcase, which contaminates and compromises the oil. Compression in the engine crankcase will push the oil in the form of vapors into the intake manifold through the PCV valve, disrupting the critical air-to-fuel ratio set by the OEM. This causes the computer to compensate by altering engine timing, which causes loss of power and uses much more fuel. This also disrupts the compression of each cylinder. Here are just a few examples of compression readings before and after cleaning 4- and 8-cylinder vehicles with BG Engine Performance Restoration. BG EPR part number 109M with its Ring Clean technology is especially designed to loosen carbon deposits between rings. Just changing the oil alone will not change the amount of sludge in your engine, but BG Engine Performance Restoration loosens sludge deposits in 15 minutes while the engine is running. Sludge and varnish is removed from the piston rings, hydraulic components, and micro passageways. This balances engine compression, and all contaminants are removed when the oil is drained. Today's engines run with higher pressure and closer tolerances in conditions that range from desert dry heat and dust to cold nights and high humidity. Over time, this causes oil to thicken, which creates acid. This increases the oil's viscosity and decreases its ability to protect and flow throughout the engine. Oil stops protecting the engine and accumulates into sludge deposits, increasing its viscosity. This is due to heat and pressure that breaks down the oil's protective additives and its ability to disperse deposits before they form. Vapors from worn-out oil are also sent to the air induction system, where they can stick and form gummy deposits in the air manifold, ports, and on valves. BG MOA, part number 110M, disperses deposits before they can form, and this reduces oil oxidation and thickening for longer oil life and engine protection. In a recent survey, dealership service managers use BG MOA 4-to-1 over any other motor oil additive on the market. The BG oil change service should be performed every 10,000 kilometers for GDI and 20,000 for port fuel injected engines. Ask your BG Middle East representative for more information on BG oil services. From BG Products Incorporated,
BG,
the worldwide leader in automotive maintenance services since 1971.